Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Resti Yulianti Sutrisno. I am from School of Nursing, Universitas Muhammadiyah, Yogyakarta. Today, with my co-author, I want to present our study entitled Effectiveness of Aisyah Kader Training in Enhancing Knowledge and Skill for Early Detection and Management of Non-Communicable Disease. Ladies and gentlemen, non-communicable disease or NCD have become a growing public health concern in Indonesia. Nationally, the prevalence of diabetes mellitus has reached 8.5%, affecting more than 20 million people. At the same time, hypertension affects over 34% of the population. In the Sleman district of Yogyakarta, diabetes prevalence stands at 3.3%, which is the second highest in the province. Despite this alarming number, many community health cadres still lack the necessary knowledge and practical skill to identify and manage this condition early. The study was conducted to evaluate the effectiveness of comprehensive training program for Aisyah health cadre in Sleman. The program aimed to enhance their competency in early detection and management of diabetes and hypertension. Our research specially target Aisyah and Nasihatul Aisyah cadre. Let me now explain the methodology of our study. We applied a quasi-experimental research design using a pretest post-test without a control group. The intervention was implemented on March 22, 2025, involving 50 participants, all of whom were Aisyah or Nasihatul Aisyah cadre selected through total sampling. The training consists of two main components, first for health education and then second for practical skill training, which include hand-on session in blood pressure measurement, capillary blood glucose testing, and research interpretation. For data collection, we use two types of questionnaire for knowledge and practical item, and then for analysis we use descriptive statistic, and then pretest for bivariate analysis. Now let me present the result of our study. First, as shown in figure 4, we found that only 55.4% of participants had previously received education about diabetes mellitus before the training. And figure 5, we see an even lower rate of exposure. Only 30.4% of cadre had ever received training on capillary blood glucose testing. The highlight the knowledge and skill gap that our intervention aimed to address. Moving on table 1, we can observe a significant improvement in knowledge across all domains after the training. For example, understanding of risk factor for NCD increased from 25% to 91%. And then some knowledge areas such as early detection, diet, and physical activity reach 100 accurate in the post-test. In table 3, present the summary statistic about the knowledge, and then after the training, the average increased significant to 97.5. And then the difference was statistic significant with p-value of less than 0.01, confirming the effectiveness of our training model. Now, let me move on the result related the skill acquisition. This slide present the improvement in 4K practical skill following the training. The most significant gain was seen in glucose testing, where the average score from 30% to 98%. In conclusion, our study demonstrated the structure training significantly improve Aisyah Kader knowledge and skill in managing non-communicable disease, particularly diabetes and hypertension. With proper education and practical training, community health cadre can effectively perform early screening and basic management of this chronic condition. Here are some photo from the training session conducted in Sleman. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. It has been a pleasure sharing our research with you today. We truly believe that empowering community health cadre can make a meaningful impact in the early detection and control of non-communicable disease. Okay, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.